Hey, what's up you guys, back here again filming another YouTube video. I'm aware that I look really nasty in this video, and it's because I was not wearing any makeup. I was wearing this ugly shirt. I hadn't washed my face at that point. I probably did not take a shower for 4 days before that. So, I apologize in advance. I spent a lot of time. No. I spent time on this that I don't have, so yeah. Hey, what's up you guys, back here again filming another YouTube video. So today, a very special video for you guys planned.
Today we're gonna recording.
Yeah. Today, we have my inhaler unboxing. So, as you guys can see,
imagine not having properly functioning lungs.
I'm literally wheezing right now because of my asthma. So as you can see, it has if it will focus, oh my god, I have Advair, aka fluticasone propionate, yeah, and it has 60 meter actuations. It's in this nice package like this, very airtight. It's very nice, so I'm gonna open it for you guys. Shut up, Robin. Robin, shut up. Ooh, see that nice packaging. So here's the inhaler. I'm gonna let you guys see the first time I try it. As you can see, it's a nice purplish shade, nice purplish pinkish shade with a nice lilac cap. And when you open it, it has it's the cap is attached, so you don't lose it. And so since this is a new one, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. I really need this. Okay, first inhalation. Ooh, it feels really good. Okay, second. Huh?
Can you vape that?
No, I don't want to waste the medicine. First, exhale. Okay, so this is not a rescue. This is just your regular one that you take every day to help your asthma. And I think it works pretty well. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video.
This is really helpful.
Shut up, Robin. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hope not.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's only been about 5 minutes later, and my breathing is so much better. See, I'm not wheezing anymore. See, I have a clear breath, and I'm just telling you, shut up, Robin! I'm letting you guys know that it really does work. Inhalers save lives. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe, or don't. You don't have to. You're not obligated to, but it'd be really nice if you do.
She's forcing you.
So, bye guys!